Hi, I'm Christina Fletcher from Spiritually Aware Parenting, and I want to take this moment to invite you to a special workshop on August 1st called Becoming a Spiritually Aware Parent. We live in chaotic times. These are times where our children are finding challenges and fears like never before, and at the same time, you as a parent are also experiencing that chaos more than ever. Rather than seeing parenting as a role, and rather than having spirituality as a hobby that you may take off the shelf every once in a while when you can find a chance, I want to show you a powerful system of tools that you can use to allow spirituality to flow within you and throughout your family. I want to help you co-parent with spirit so that you disregard the role that society has often given you as a parent and instead dive deep into a relationship that's based on authentic connection and understanding from a spiritual perspective between you and your child. It is possible to have a happy, supportive relationship within your family. It is possible to flow in joy and happiness and connection, releasing the restraints of fear that can so often be mired within the parenting relationship. On August 1st, I'm going to be passing on powerful tools that you can use and pull out even in the chaos. This is not 20-minute meditations that you have to pull out and find time for. Rather, I can give you quick and easy solutions that you can pull out even in the middle of a temper tantrum. There will be easy flow, gentle conversation, and I will support you the entire way. So I highly recommend that you check this out. August 1st, Becoming a Spiritually Aware Parent. I am so honored to be presenting this in conjunction with Chicago's own Infinity Foundation. I look forward to seeing you there. Love and light. Bye now.